What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel, and as always, it is your boy. We have exclusive review right here. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 design is officially revealed by Sam Mobile and also by Dbrand, because they are producing or showing off products that will be for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, and it's basically confirming the concept and the look of the phone. So as you can see right here on Sam Mobile, as we predicted, it's going to have that 3-camera setup, pretty similar to what we see now. It's just that the camera brick is a lot slimmer. And as far as the colors, there is a leak as well showing that the colors for this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be the following: this army looking green, black, and a shimmery like pearl color. So this is the official look. You guys are seeing it right now. So when Samsung does their reveal event next month, apparently August 11th, this is most likely what we will be seeing. I don't doubt that there will be any tweaks to it. It's pretty much going to look just like this. Here's that pearl color that I was telling you guys about. So if you want to, and here's the black. If you want to slide over to the Dbrand website, you can see they're already accepting pre-orders for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 skin and wraps. They have the black right here. Let's see what else they have. Green and silver. So silver is more so like that pearl color like I was telling you guys, but this is basically confirming that this is what the phone is going to look like. You know, these companies, they get a sneak peek into what the products are going to look like so they can create their products around it. And oopsie, they kind of slipped up and showed us what this will look like. So take it for what it is. If you're in the market to get a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, this is what you're going to be looking at. Keep in mind, this does not confirm any specs, whether it will be S Pen compatible or whether it will have an S Pen, but keep that in mind. This is what it will look like on that launch date and reveal date of August 11th that we're hearing about. So, sorry, I got an email. So, as always, I appreciate you guys for staying tuned, keeping up with the content, picking up what I'm putting down. Do me a favor, if you're appreciating me keeping you guys updated on all the latest tech and gaming, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share, comment, hit the bell for notifications. I greatly appreciate it. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Let's get it.